Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Timer's ticking. Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started. Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the stream. I missed you guys yesterday. I did. I don't like taking Saturdays off. I really don't. Unfortunately, I am held hostage and I have to take Saturdays off from now on. I'm just kidding. I'm totally just kidding. But anyways, what's going on, everyone? So 38,600. A lot has changed. Okay, a lot has changed since I was gone since Friday. We kind of came tumbling down right on Friday. We were all the way back up here in the $40,000 region, dropped all the way back down to about 30, a little bit actually below 38,000, and here we sit at 38.6. So what can we expect going forward? We'll talk about that today. Maybe we have some upwards price action, right? I don't want to call an upwards pump yet, right? But maybe we have some upwards price action. So if you guys are new to the stream, as always, press the subscribe button, smack that like if you guys are enjoying the stream every day, right? Enjoying the stream every day. Hope you guys have some good vibes this weekend. I know crypto's coming back down, but I think it's always important. I want to start the stream by saying, guys, you got to stay positive, right? Life is too short, okay? Life is too short, right, guys? I lost my phone. Okay? I lost my phone yesterday, okay? I don't want to talk about it, but you know what? Life is too short. We're gonna get a new phone tomorrow, and that's what we're gonna do, okay? Life is too short to get upset over these things. But anyways, let's jump on into it. So what the heck is Bitcoin doing? All right. Let's actually just start on the 15-minute, right? Let's start super zoomed in, see what we got going on. Stay positive, though, guys. We're going to talk about bearish stuff and bullish stuff today, but I want everyone to stay positive, keep that smile on their face, because honestly, it is too short to get upset over these things. But what's the 15-minute doing? So it actually looked like we were forming some type of bear flag on the 15-minute chart, but it looks like actually Bitcoin broke to the upside out of this. You know, typically these break down to the downside when you're getting these rising channels coming from a dump. Now, We are getting that upwards movement. We're actually coming back down to test that resistance line. Will this hold on the 15-minute? Now, this is the 15-minute. It's not too important, right? I always hate looking at the 15-minute chart because even I'm like, dude, why are we so zoomed in right now, right? Why are we so zoomed in? I don't want to zoom in, right? I want to zoom out and I want to focus on the bigger picture, which could be good, right? Could be good. Now, short term, like we said, we'll see what happens for the rest of today. Let's see if we hold this previous resistance turning into support or we dump. We didn't get a ton of volume on that move to the upside. So let's see if Bitcoin can hold this on the shorter term time frame. So that's what we're watching. Now, real quick, right? We're going to jump into the meat and potatoes of the video. All right? The meat and potatoes of the video. Bruh. You guys are so sick of me talking about this damn fractal. Look at this fractal, man. This thing is playing out to an exact T. And I have to continue to say, I know you guys are probably sick and tired of hearing about this fractal from me. But like we said, until it stops playing out, I have to give this the benefit of the doubt. Now, you guys might be calling me crazy, saying that, Jordan, there's no way that Bitcoin's going to get a move back up to the $59,000, $58,000 region within the next couple weeks. There's zero chance. There's way too much FUD. We have this war potential war going on. You guys know my thoughts on that. I'm not a political channel, so I'm not going to get into it. We also have the crypto executive order coming out from Biden, coming out hopefully at some point next week, so we get some clarity on what's going on with that. A lot of stuff going on, a lot of FUD going on, as you guys know. You guys might be saying, we're not going up to 56K. There's zero chance that we go up to 56K over the course of the next couple of weeks. I would argue that I agree, right? The way things look right now, things look absolutely terrible. All right, let's be honest. We just came back up to 46K. Now we're all the way back down at 37, looking to retest the lows. Things don't look great on the charts, but as we know, Bitcoin has a way to reverse at times where you least expect it. So we're going to continue to watch this, right? We did come back down to that 618 retrace, right, from our bottom swing low to our last swing high that we just had. We did come back down and test that 618 retrace that also the 2018 fractal did. So, I don't want to sit up here and say, the 100% Bitcoin's going back up to 58K, but if we were continue to respect this, which I don't even have the whole fractal, guys. This thing goes all the way back down here as far as accuracy goes, which is absolutely nuts. We're talking about 5-6 month worth of fractal action that has been absolutely accurate as heck. Maybe we get a move up to 58K, right? I don't know what the catalyst is going to be. We've kind of argued what the catalyst is going to be. A lot of us think it is going to be the White House crypto executive order due out next week. I've been saying, what if this news actually comes out positive, right? What if they actually come out and blow our minds? And that could be some type of at least short-term rally back up to the upside, some type of catalyst back up to the upside. Who knows, right? Who knows? But we have to, once again, stay patient until next week. We have to stay patient until next week. If we were expecting that move, we probably would be expecting it over the course of the next couple of days. Might not happen today, might not happen tomorrow, might not happen Tuesday, but over the course of the next couple days, right? Let's see, right? Let's see. I'm excited to see what happens. I hope you guys are too. Really, really are too. Let's see. Luke said, sorry, Jordan, shuffling with your Daytona 500. Daytona 500? That's crazy. That's absolutely crazy. Let's see. Biden stoke equals catalyst. We'll find out, man. That's what we're all kind of hoping for right now. Now going back to BTC, looks like we're trying to get a bounce off the previous highs in the 15-minute. I'm not too worried about these short-term time frames right now, guys. Bitcoin's going to do what it wants to do, but if we were to take a look at this right where we are right now, I would say that we did break this level here, which was our previous swing highs and previous swing lows. We did break that in the 4-hour time frame. So logically, right, the next level we'll be looking out for is about that 36.3 region. If we don't get that, we don't hold this general range here that is previous swing highs, right? If we don't hit that general range there, we could come back down to 38.3. Now, we have this falling wedge, right? This falling wedge on the RSI on the 4-hour time frame. You guys know I absolutely love these falling wedges because sometimes they can give us massive green dildos to the upside. And I know a lot of you guys love massive green dildos. That comes out extremely, extremely wrong. Let me know in the chat if you love massive green dildos. Probably should only see it from the ladies in here, right? Only from the ladies. I don't want to see any guys say they love massive green dills, but let's see if this breaks to the upside, right? Falling wedge, falling resistance, falling support. We're coming up and test that actually right now. Let's see if maybe this could be what we hope to be the start of a new uptrend at some point sometime soon, right? Over the course of the next couple of days. Let's continue to watch this. This could be, at least in the short term, a nice catalyst there. 4 hour was oversold, so we're looking for maybe a bounce ups here somewhat soon. And obviously we're below all the EMAs, so not really much to comment on there. Now, I can already hear what all you guys are saying in the chat, right? All you guys are saying in the chat, Jordan, are you even looking at the charts, bro? What are you even looking at? Like, we're clearly going down. I'm a troll. We're clearly going down, Jordan. Like, it's not even a question. Do you even look at the charts? Do you even see the news, bro? Do you even see it? It's awful. There's nothing positive right now. The only thing positive is all the zeros in Shiba Inu. That's it. Like, I get it. It's kind of the same thing that we had last time Bitcoin was in this range, right? There was nothing positive going on, and we got a random little move to the upside. Doesn't have to necessarily be any type of kind of move to the upside, right? There's got to be no move to the upside. But let's have patience. Let's see what happens next. On the daily time frame, it's kind of the same scenario, right? We did break these previous swing lows, previous swing highs, and now we're coming back down to test that 37.4 region. Is that going to be the point where we bounce? Overall, guys. Overall, all right? You know what? I'm going to make a bold call here, all right? I'm going to make a very, 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 very bold call here. And a lot of you guys might be saying, Jordan, you're an idiot for making this bold call. But here we go. I think this week, at some point this week, I don't know if it's going to be Friday. I don't know if it's going to be tomorrow, okay? At some point this week, we are going to start a medium-term uptrend to the upside. I'm not saying a new all-time highs, but I do think that this is going to continue to play out. It's been too perfect so far. I'm going to respect it. I'm making a bold call right now. If anyone wants to make a bet against me, all right? If anyone wants to make a bet against me, let me know in the chat. I'm making a bold call. I think this continues to play out, and we actually come back up to test the 618 back to the upside, right? Previous swing highs, the previous swing lows. I think we come back up to test that golden pocket up here towards, the 57, 56, 57, 58 range. I think we're going to do it, man. I think we're going to do it. Call me crazy. I'm seeing so much negativity right now, right? I'm seeing so much negativity. Even the people that normally post super bullish fractals are getting extremely bearish. And when I start seeing, BTC News on Twitter and Tech Dev on Twitter making like bear market jokes, I think there could be at least a short-term bounce here. So keep that in mind. I'm making a bold call, all right? I am making a bold call this week. We're moving up to the upside, all right? So let's freaking go. I'm bearish. Everyone's bearish, man. Come on, guys. Show some positivity in the chat. I'm seeing some positivity today. There it is. I see all the bulls back in here a little bit today. That's what I want to see, man. I want to see some positivity. I'm tired of this negativity in the chat. Now, some of it probably stems from me a little bit because sometimes I zoom in a little bit too much and I should be zooming out and talking about the bigger picture. Some of it's my fault. I want to do a better job of reminding people about the bigger picture. And I know people are tired of hearing about the bigger picture, buy the dip, long-term outlook. But it really is true, man. It really is true. And I want to go back to my roots and continue to preach about having a long-term mindset because it does play out. It does work out over time. Like I've always said, the one thing I want to work on is taking more profits on the way up. It's one issue that I had in 2021, but I won't make that same mistake next time it happens, all right? But I do think you got to continue to have a long-term mindset, man. Now, the other fractal we watch is the total market cap fractal. This one's actually been playing out ridiculously well as well. Like, look at the total market cap fractal, right? So not only is the Bitcoin fractal going on perfectly, but the total market cap fractal is. And we kind of said that this one makes sense so much structurally. Like, it was the back test of basically this previous resistance. A little bit off on the fractal. You guys get the point, right? Back test, previous resistance, back test that as support. That's where you're at right now. You're right here on this fractal at the moment with the back test of this previous resistance. If you would expect the same thing that happened in 2018, that same exact thing that the Bitcoin did, all right, you would expect to bounce off this previous resistance, back up here, right? Back up to like 2.15 trillion, and then it moved back down. This one's a little iffy, right? Because this one's not as bullish as the Bitcoin one. And you would expect that if Bitcoin had a rise, you would expect altcoins to rise a little bit more than Bitcoin. It's typically what we see. This one says otherwise. So let's continue to watch these. But I kind of like how this total market cap one is also playing out as well, as far as, you know, not just the fractal, but also the structure of it, backtesting the previous support, previous resistance as support. So we'll watch that too. Sir Dude said, holy fractal, man. Holy fractal. You guys are so sick of the fractals. Now, one chart that I don't necessarily love, right? And I know one person that does like this chart, okay? I know one person that put 100x long in yesterday, or 2 days ago, and is preaching bull market is back.
And I'm here to bring you this cryptocurrency video. Bitcoin has fallen out from this falling wedge, and I have made 100x on my long position over here on Bybit. You guys should go use my Bybit link. Links down in the description. Bybit link.
We know. Yo, you like Bybit. Carl put in 100x. Rova did too. We know Carl and Rova put in 100x. Carl and Rova, man. I can picture Carl and Rova. Carl and Rover, man. But anyways, Total 2. What's going on with Total 2? Now, I kind of saw this from my guy Pentoshi over on Twitter. You guys know Pentoshi over on Twitter. A great swing trader. Someone that I pay very close attention to as far as macro moves, because he's been extremely accurate as far as this. And he's kind of been looking at this, right? The Total 2 market cap. We are such in an incredible position, right? An incredible position. Look at the Total 2 market cap, right? So I know this is very basic stuff, but like I've said, guys, a lot of the smartest people in the space, they look at basic stuff, right? They're not looking at these whoop-de-doos and coop-de-coos and juke-de-jews, right? They're looking at basic stuff. And when you look at this, the Total 2 market cap, right? Your bunch of previous resistance over here, your previous support right here. The issue I'm having right now, and this is not so much an issue, this actually matches up with what I kind of expect to happen, which is a bullish move here over the course of the next couple of weeks, right? We're at a critical position for Total 2 market cap. The issue is if this support level breaks here on a weekly close, right, which we're coming up on it right now. We're still above, but we're coming up on it right now. If this level breaks, you could see a massive fall back down to 683 billion market cap for Total 2, right? Which is basically, if you guys don't know, if you guys are new to crypto, whatever, Total 2 equals the total crypto market cap minus Bitcoin, right? Taking out Bitcoin. So I think right now we're in a critical position, right? And that also matches up with our fractal. If we hold this general range where we're at right now, where we expect the fractal to hold, all right, this would be a nice W reversal pattern back up to the upside, hopefully, for altcoins. Now, it's a big area, right? It's a big area. I know we say every area is a consistent big area, right? But this is a big area, right? This is a huge area that we have to watch. By the way, a weekly close in 14 minutes. The daily close thing is broken. I understand, all right? But 14 minutes is the weekly close. Let's see where we close this weekly. We're coming up on, if we close, obviously I just prefer to close above, at least for a bit. Let's go back to the Bitcoin chart real quick. Or we can move on to Bitcoin. If we look at the Bitcoin chart, right? I mean, there's not too much crazy things going on right now. Sir Dude said, everyone panic. We're going to zero. Listen, man. Where is this?
Everybody panic. We're going to zero.
Listen, man. We're not going to zero. All right? We're not going to zero. Like I've been saying, guys, I don't believe we're going below 20K. I told you guys originally it was 10K I need to sock. I upped it to 20K. If Bitcoin goes below 20K, I will eat a sock. Not of your guys' choice. You got to pick the grossest sock ever. I will eat a sock on stream if we break 20K. All right? Keep that in mind. You guys should definitely buy the top and sell the bottom too, by the way.
I'm gonna buy the top and I'm gonna sell the bottom, guys.
You guys said, a bunch of you guys said you want to see Maya today. She's a little shy. She's a little shy. She doesn't want to come on.
Maybe later.
She said maybe later. We'll find out though. Let me know if you want to see her. All right. She's shy, so she needs all the hype that she can get. All right. So we need all the hype in the chat. Let's get it. Listen, guys. All right. You guys love when I say listen, guys. I would say, like we kind of said earlier, I mean, this week hasn't been the greatest week, right? We got rejected from the previous swing lows that we didn't want to see, all right? Now, let's see if we come back down and test this support line, right? I mean, this is kind of what we kind of been saying here is, you know, the weekly looks different as far as price action than any other time frame, I'd say. But I still think that the indicators on the weekly still look fine, right? If you actually look at some of our indicators here on the weekly time frame, I mean, like we said, like the stock RSI, flip bullish, ready to move up. Doesn't mean it has to move up, right? It can stay down for a extended period of time. Like look at how long you stayed low down here. Like you stayed down here for months, if not 6 months. Okay, so no Lambo, no reason. Here we go. Hype her up. Market Cipher, right? We said that the money flow is also trying to flip positive, okay? And we said that the MACD, right? And I saw this from Tom Crown. He posted this on Twitter earlier today. The MACD momentum, right? It's about momentum. You guys know I don't love the MACD, but the MACD momentum is starting to cool off a little bit, okay? And what we saw a similar thing back in June of 2021 of this, where the MACD started to flip, even though price action was continuing down. And typically what you see is it's not actual, like by definition, bullish divergence, but it's something that you like to see, right? You like to see that selling pressure start to die down. And if you look, that's what we're kind of seeing, right? Price action's coming back down, but selling pressure, at least on the MACD, right? It's one indicator, but at least on the MACD is starting to wane off a little bit down here. So let's continue to watch to see what that happens over time. And like we said, the RSI, right? Just looking at some basic indicators here. RSI still at a point where it's typically only seen in deep bear markets, right? In deep bear markets. You're talking about levels that we saw in October 2014, January 2015, all throughout 2018, right? And even lower than you saw in the summertime. So, guys, zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out. All right, we got to start zooming out here. Have a balanced approach of how you're looking at crypto. Don't think you're going to come into crypto and make a gazillion dollars in 2 days, right? We're not going to make a gazillion dollars in 2 days. I want to make a gazillion dollars in 2 days. Unfortunately, that's not how it's played out in 2021. I don't think 2021 was what anyone expected. So all we can do here, and I will say that someday we're going to look at 38K for BTC, and we're going to say, why the heck did I not throw all the fiat I had into Bitcoin anywhere below this level, right? I swear. Someday we're going to look back at this and be like, what the heck, man? What the heck, right? Bitcoin would be at 400, 500K. We're going to say, why didn't we just go all in when Bitcoin was below 40K? Why didn't we?
Rant alert.
Why? Because we're afraid of a little bit of FUD that we've heard over the whole course of time for Bitcoin, over the course of the last 12 years. How much FUD have we heard? Now, this is some crazy FUD. This is insane FUD that we're starting to come out with right now, right? Possible World War III. We got the U.S. coming out with possible regulations again, crypto. We got this stupid, I'm not going to call it stupid. I'm not going to go there, actually. I'm going to get myself in trouble. We got this stupid thing going around in the world. I'm going to call it stupid. The stupid thing going on, okay? A lot of FUD going on right now. But what have we noticed? Every single time that Bitcoin gets hit with this FUD, it always ends up higher, right? And the bulls will have the last laugh. I'm telling you guys right now. The bulls will have the last laugh. I'm tired of the bears laughing, okay? They can laugh for all they want. They can laugh for 1 year, 2 year. They can laugh for all they freaking want. But I'm telling you right now, they will be the ones that are salty again at the end of the tunnel. This price action right now and the way the market looks right now reminds me so much, right? Reminds me so much more of March of 2020, right? With all this FUD and people just selling off their assets like absolute crazy, more than it does a bear market, right? It really, really does. And maybe we need some type of big liquidation sell-off in order for us to kickstart something. But this reminds me so much of March of 2020 with how negative the space is, with just all the negativity, man. It really, really does. So I want to make a quick rant because people are starting to zoom in a little bit. It's getting a little ridiculous. In my opinion, people forget what crypto has done over the course of the last 12 years. And I think it's important to zoom out, okay? Zoom the F out.
Rant alert.
You know what? Zoom the fuck out, as George would say. Demonetized. I don't even care at this point. Zoom the fuck out. Let's see. Dale said, always another bottom. Facts. Absolute facts. Rant alert.
Rant alert.
Boom. All right, let's see. Sir Dude, what's going on, man? He said, for real though, no way anyone can do short-term TA of any kind. Massive black swan event hanging over all our heads the next few weeks. 2 to 5 year view, easy decision. I agree. Zoom out. No one knows what's gonna happen short term, right? We're just doing our best educated guess. No one really knows, right? You guys, I tell you guys this all the time, right? I don't know what's gonna happen next. I just look at the charts and I have fun looking at the charts and I try to find the best clues of what could happen next. Do I know? No. Does anyone know? No. Do people think that people know? Yes, but they really don't. Right? So take the clues what we have, but you have a long-term mindset, you will succeed in this space. But you gotta think long-term, right? And that's why I kind of want to hype on today, man, because to be honest, guys, I'm sick of I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm sick of talking about the short-term price action, man. It's just a bunch of the same thing, right? We get hyped over short-term moves and then Bitcoin poops the bed, right? I mean, how many times can we talk about the same thing, right? At the end of the day, kind of like we've been saying, guys, in the short term, right? This is short-term stuff. To me, until Bitcoin breaks above the 46K region, there's nothing to get out of bed about, right? The previous swing lows, nothing to get out of bed about until Bitcoin breaks above 46K. Until then, all this short-term bull market is back. You got these freaking guys, right? You got these freaking guys out here. Bull market's back. What's going on? Shane, baby. You got all these guys. Every time Bitcoin has a short-term move, it's like the bull market's back. No. Wait for a break of 46K. That's when we can start getting excited. Until then, this is all noise and this is all BS. Why am I saying BS? This is all bullshit, okay? All bullshit. All these things that people are talking about is absolute bullshit until we break above 46K. It really is. It really is bullshit. So zoom out, man. Stop worrying about, this 4-hour wedge formation, this 15-minute bull flag about to break to the upside. Unless you're a trader, you should not give an absolute fuck about this shit, okay? Seriously, you shouldn't do it.
Rant alert.
Oh, man. All right, I had to get it. I had to get that out, man, because people are so freaking negative right now. It really takes a toll. Listen, I would say, at least when it comes to crypto stuff, it doesn't really affect my outside life, but at least in terms of coming to crypto, it does affect you, okay? It does affect you when there's so much negativity. Stay positive. Remember why we're here, okay? Remember why we're here. We're here for our better future. We're not here to get we want a Lambo tomorrow, but we're not here to make a quick buck, okay, today, right? That's not why we're here at the end of the day. Shane, though, that's absolutely nuts, man. I appreciate you, Shane. You're here all the time, man. I appreciate you. And Sir, dude, you guys are absolutely awesome, dude. Absolutely awesome, right? I've been saying, guys, I've been feeling ranty lately because, I know I was ranting a lot the other day when you guys heard the horse laughs from behind the door. But I am, man. It's just how I'm feeling, all right? Shout out to Shane, though. Let's freaking go. Let's do a rant rating. I think that was the best rant I've ever did. All right. I think that was the best rant I've ever did. I'm sweating right now. I am literally sweating right now. That's how hard I just ranted. All right. So 1 to 4, right? 4 being the best rant, 1 being the worst. All right. Let me know rant rating in the chat right now. Someone said feeling warm inside. Oh man, that's nuts, dude. Wait. I have more to come too. I have more to come. There's more stuff to rant about down the line here. All right. We can look at some more like, guess. I don't want to look at the short term time frames. All right. Let's look at the daily. Daily, like we said, Gaussian channel. Typically, when we get rejected off the Gaussian channel, okay, we do tend to get a little bit of downwards price action. Okay, we tend to get a little bit downwards price action. That is. Dale said cursing and swearing doesn't make it a good rant, right? Dale, you're such a troll, man. But no, seriously. We got rejected off the median line in the Gaussian channel. Typically, it's not a good sign, right? We want to be above that. When we get rejected from it and we fall outside of it, typically it's not a good sign, right? Last 2 times we did that was right here back in May, okay, and was right here back in December. Now, I will say again, this is shorter term stuff in my opinion, but take it for what you will, right? Take it for what you will. Sorry guys, I might be burping a little bit. I had a massive chicken breast. It was actually chicken parm chicken breast, and whenever I have a ton of red sauce, I get absolutely so gassy, and no, not gassy like this. Right? But Clint said was late to stream, but did you make a prediction and bet on it? Why are you cussing like Sailor tonight? I'm just hyped, man. I'm just hyped. You know why? Because I'm just, man. Man. Dude, everyone's starting to lose. Everyone is starting to lose hope. And I guess I've been kind of a victim. I've been kind of a part of it too. I do have to say, like I said, I want to go back to my roots and focus more on long-term stuff, man. This 4-hour stuff really doesn't matter, bro. All right, continue with that. But that's basically it, Clint. He said, you make a prediction? Yeah, I made a prediction that Bitcoin was going to go on a run starting next week. I don't know which day next week. Could be Friday, could be Saturday, could be Monday. But starting next week, I made a prediction that Bitcoin's going to start making a run to the upside up to the 50K, up into the 50K region. Okay, the mid 50K region. That's my prediction. Okay, I'm going to stand by my prediction. Like Bitboy would say, I'm going to stand by my prediction. Okay, and I'm not going to deviate from it. Okay.
The biggest crypto channel on the interwebs. Now, guys, my sources continue to tell me that we will top out
at 50K
within 2 weeks of September 23rd. I repeat, within 2 weeks of September 23rd. I still stand by this prediction, and I am not going to waver from this prediction. We will see Bitcoin top out within 2 weeks of September 23rd. Okay? And then we will see a giant black swan event that will drop us down within 2 weeks of September 23rd.
September 23rd. Making the prediction, man.
The biggest channel in the interwebs. Now, my sources have told me that this bull market can now continue into the rest of this year. Can you ban that guy in the chat? Ban that guy in the chat. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. My sources have told me that the bull market will continue to the end of this year, guys. Trust me, I know what I'm talking
said
about.
The hunchback at Notre Dame
for years. Okay? So, the bull market is not even close to over. I'm going to tell you that right now.
DJ said the hunchback at Notre Dame, bro. All right, anyways, let's go look at the Bitcoin dominance. I haven't seen that guy in so long. I haven't seen that movie in so long. The Hunchback of Notre Dame. When was the last time you guys saw that movie? It must have been so long ago. When was the last time we saw the Hunchback of Notre Dame, bro? Right? I don't even know. But anyways, Bitcoin dominance. It's not really doing what we expected, right? I mean, It broke down from this trend line, came back up, tested, and now it's kind of just riding this line. It's riding it, right? And if anything, maybe you could say it's more of a kind of bull flag, maybe, right? More of a kind of bull flag. So I mean, if you look at this, a bear flag on dominance, which is ultimately like at the end of the day, you know, even the Bitcoin maxis, I would say you still want to see the Bitcoin dominance go down, right? I mean, it's typically means that there's strength in the market. Most of the time, okay? Now, if this ends up being, you know, something about higher highs, higher low structures, and this moves down, you expect to move back down for dominance. Let's wait to see if this plays out, right? We don't know if this is actually going to play out like this, but let's wait to see if this plays out. You still want the dominance to fall. If for anyone, we all want the dominance to fall. That's going to mean that means there's confidence in crypto. It means there's confidence to invest into speculative assets like altcoins. We want this to go down, okay? Let's see if it continues to go down. Let's see, right? Let's have some patience here. It all comes back down to patience, man. Alex said, "Party hard, crypto fam." Let's go, Alex. Let's freaking go, Alex, man. Appreciate you, dude. We're having fun, man. We're having fun. We're having good vibes tonight. We are. That's what we're doing. We gotta stop being so super freaking negative. Like, listen, if you're going to be in crypto, why are you so negative about it? All right? Why are you so negative? Go to your cave, go invest in your gold. All right? If you want to go invest in your gold, fine. Maybe gold outperforms Bitcoin for another year. All right? Let's say that gold outperforms Bitcoin for another year. All right? Congratulations. Let's say gold goes up 50% this year. All right? Congratulations, man. Woo! Woo!
Bruh.
50%. All right? Let's say gold goes up 50%. All right? All right, awesome. Let's say that 2-3 years from now, Bitcoin does another 10x. All right, awesome. Gold outperformed Bitcoin for a year. Congratulations, gold. Woohoo! Woohoo! 50%. Woohoo!
Rant alert.
Come on, man. Zoom out. Have a long-term mindset in this crap, all right? Go invest in gold if you want to go invest in gold, man. Let's see. Ashley said, "Look who's back. Back again. Tell a friend. The real not so sim shady but real shady Jabba. He's a darn bear, but I love him." Jabba? Jabba's still gone. We still have to have a funeral. We still have to have the Jabba funeral, guys, here. Coming up very, very shortly, by the way. Guys, keep smacking up that like button if you're having fun tonight. I'm going to have some more fun tonight. We just had the weekly close, by the way. We had the weekly close. Bitcoin closed at a very, very dubious. Look at that hairline. Look at the hairline, dude. Look at the hairline. Oh, God. Well, thanks for jumping back into the cryptoverse. Today, we're going to talk Bitcoin. Weekly close. So Bitcoin looks like it closed at approximately about the $38,340 level. Now, what does this mean for Bitcoin, right? What does this mean for Bitcoin? Well, we did in fact look like we broke this region of general support. So, you know, based on the weekly charts, right? Just look at the weekly charts, right? A case for the bears, right? Maybe Bitcoin comes back down to test, back down to the 36K region, right? The previous weekly swing lows. Okay, that's what it could look like at the moment. All right, so zoom out. Right, it's very, very dubious expectation. Right, Bitcoin can move back down $2,000. Very, very dubious. Still looks better than BTC. It does look a little better than BTC. But overall, I mean, guys, just to go back to some seriousness real quick. Look at the volume on Bitcoin. Right, there's been no demand, and this is why on-chain stuff is great, right? On-chain stuff is great for showing the supply side of BTC, but what it fails at, and what I agree, say we look at like the liquid supply ratio, for example, right? We look at liquid supply like this, right? And we would say, all right, this has to catch up, right? Liquid supply goes up, price goes down. We should expect the price to follow. What we kind of forget with this is, yes, it's about supply, right? The supply of Bitcoin's going down, blah, 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 blah. what we sometimes forget about on-chain, and why I don't think on-chain is like this end-all be-all thing like some people thought it was last year, okay? Because it's really not. What it fails to acknowledge is the demand, right? And simply put, you know, we haven't had any demand for Bitcoin over the course or since January of 2021, right? Look at the volume just tapering off here, right? There's been no demand at all for BTC in this range. So I think like I said, I think it's going to come at some point. It's going to come when you least expect it. It always does come when you least expect it, okay? It always comes when you least expect it. Every single time, right? No one was expecting it right here. There was so much FUD in the market, right? Volume was tapering off like crazy. And then kaboom, right? Straight up to the upside. It always comes when you least expect it. So it's one thing I will say about on-chain stuff is it does not take into account demand. It only takes into account supply. So keep that in mind when you're looking at all these permanent, super bullish stuff on Twitter. You know, keep that in mind when you're looking at that stuff. But still be aware. It says, it feels great not to stress. Anderson, did you sell your portfolio, man? You should be stressing anyway. The only way you should be stressing your crypto portfolio if you have too much money to afford to lose. Something tells me that a lot of people in this space invested way too much money into crypto, right? You invested your rent money, you invested your rent money, you invested your car payment money, you invested your fund money, you invested all your time, okay? You invested everything into crypto. And now the price is going down, right? And you thought it was going up. Something tells me that you invested way too much into crypto, and that is why you're stressed out, okay? Now listen, I have a very high percentage of my, I hate saying the word net worth. It makes you seem like you're more important than you are. I'm not any more important than anyone else is, right? I don't like to use the word net worth. It makes you seem like you're important. A large proportion of my, I say, assets are in crypto, okay? But not to the point where if everything went to zero, I'd be absolutely dead, okay? Not to the point where everything went to zero. Yeah, I'd be pissed. I'd be absolutely pissed. But would I be depressed? No, I wouldn't. Don't invest more you can afford to lose, and you won't be too stressed. You won't be too stressed. Yes, it sucks, but you won't be too stressed, okay? It's the biggest thing I don't say it enough, really. That's the biggest thing that I've learned is early on, I had way too much. Okay, way too much. In March 2020, absolutely rocked me. Okay, and shook me a lot. March 2020. I didn't sell, and it worked out in the end. But that actually shook me. Okay, and I said I wasn't going to make that mistake again. So make sure you guys aren't making that mistake too. Right? Make sure you guys definitely aren't making that mistake. Let's see. Thanks to Bat Boy Crypto. The Bat Boy Crypto, man. Layer 2 said, just the kids' college fund. Facts. Absolute facts. All right, so ETH BTC. We've been watching this too, right? This is right at support too. So 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches, and 4 touches. So we've kind of said that this could also be another indicator where we would expect this to maybe have altcoins start to outpace Bitcoin, right? When Ethereum outpaces Bitcoin, usually means that there's good sentiment in the market. All right. Lately, it's been kind of iffy after a big run up, kind of been going sideways. Not obviously hasn't been the greatest sentiment in the market over the course since, really since you could argue May. Okay. You could argue that's been the best sentiment since May, besides a few months of a run up. But nevertheless, we are sitting right at support. So another thing we're going to watch going into next week is, will we hold this? If we break this, could get a little dicey. It could get a little dicey, but I'm expecting this to hold. I've been telling you guys, I'm expecting this level right here to hold, okay? And for Bitcoin to go on a run and altcoins to go on a run over the course of the next couple weeks. So stay strapped on, strap on, right? Strap on like you never strapped on before, okay? It just makes sure you guys are strapping on. I am George. We're all George. Guys, today, we're going to talk about how Bitcoin is about to go on a massive rally back up to 56K. All right, so make sure you guys go follow cryptosrus.com for all the latest updates. Okay, now guys, I know I haven't been very passionate lately, but guys, we are about to have a massive run back up to the 56K region here for Bitcoin. Strap on. I'm telling you guys to freaking strap on. We are going to go to the moon. All right? We're going to go to the moon. There's plenty of tech dev charts we can look at. If you look at this tech dev chart, it's awesome. You take a look at this plan C chart. Since plan B didn't work out, we're going to the upside. All right, guys, that's all I have to say today. We're going to the upside. Now let's do some Q&A. Let's do some Q&A. Scrolling up, scrolling up, scrolling up, scrolling up, scrolling up. I'm not answering that question. I'm not answering that question at all. No, I'm not answering that question. No. Scrolling up. That's a stupid question. I'm not answering that one either. That's stupid. All right. Anyways, you guys get the point, right? You guys get the point. Strap up. All right. Strap up. If you believe in the blockchain backer fractal, let me know in the chat. What do you guys say in the rant rating? 40% for, 37% one. So there's 37% bears in here. That's what I take from that. 37% bears and 37% bears and 37% trolls are in the chat today. So it's not a bad ratio. I'll take that. It's about 1/3 of the stream. It's pretty good. Let me know if you have faith in the blockchain backer fractal. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Sir Dude said just move the line. It's bearish. We gon' go up. We gon' go up. I'm scrolling up. Guys, you're too funny, man. LB said, can Maya do TA on XTZ for us? She said no. She said no. Guys, she's really good at TA. She could teach you guys a few things, okay? I'm not going to get too far into this. Maybe she'll come on a little bit, LB, all right? Maybe she'll come on and do a little bit and do some TA on XTZ. Ashley, thank you again, Ashley. Alex said party hard, crypto fam. Clint, let me know if you want to make a bet on that, man. And Sir Dude said, can we see a sub 10K link? I think we could see a sub 10. I think we could definitely see a sub 10K link, right? I mean, listen, we don't know what's really going to happen short term for Bitcoin, but I think if if this was to play out like this for BTC, right? If we were to have a massive rally to the upside, a massive bump back down, I don't know what would cause this, right? I don't know what the bullish news and the bearish news would be to cause this, but if we were to see something like that, you could absolutely see a sub $10 link, right? Link right now, for example, let me actually just bring up Link the Slink. Remember when all the XRP fanboys were getting pumped yesterday? All the XRP fanboys, woo! XRP outpacing the market, woo! But anyways, Chainlink, let's go look at, why do I keep doing this? Chainlink's at 1468 right now. It's absolutely in the cards that I could get under 10K. If this fractal that we're watching does not play out, okay, and Bitcoin goes back down to say 30K, I think you're gonna see a $10 link. If you see a $10 link, your boy's gonna be scooping it up like some mint chocolate chip ice cream at your local fair, right? At your local fair. Maybe throw a brownie in there too. I'm gonna be scooping that up all day. But it has to be mint chocolate chip. If it's not mint chocolate chip, I'm not interested. Okay? But no, seriously. Chainlink could absolutely see $10. Absolutely. That's not even a question. Not even a question at all. Right now, it's already kind of making its ways back down to these swing lows, right? One swing low, two swing lows. You're already making your way back down there. It's ever so surely back down to 1352. 1352 breaks, bada bing, bada boom. You're back down to $10. So yeah, so that's what I'll say about Chainlink. Now, right now, as it stands, Chainlink does have a little bit of bullish divergence going on. You have lower lows and higher lows on the daily RSI here. So this is what we kind of been saying. If Bitcoin can hold steady here, maybe we see Chainlink bounce up at least short term back up to at least test the previous swing. So at least the previous swing lows. Looking left, around the right around there, about $17 region. So keep an eye on that, right? Short term, I say daily doesn't look too bad here. As far as a short term reversal to the upside, quite possibly, but let's watch that. All right, let's watch that and see what Bitcoin's doing, which is not really doing much. You had in the 15 minute, you have a little bit of fake out to the upside there. Look at that. Look at that move to the upside, man. It's not really that crazy, but it looks crazier on the chart than it actually was, I'd say. Sir, dude, say got it. Liquidate and all in on only up. Only up, man. Up only. That's what we do. They said making my way downtown. Making my way downtown. Did you guys have a good weekend, by the way? I had a great weekend. Some bad things happened this weekend, but, it's okay. It's okay. They fix themselves. How was your guys' weekend? Let me know in the chat how your weekend was. Okay? I'm so full right now. Maybe that's why I'm so ranty. Maybe that's why I'm so ranty. Because I have to take out my anger. Because my butt's about to go. Maybe that's why I'm so angry right now. Angry is not the right word. Maybe just passionate. Passionate today. Super, super passionate about long-term stuff. Because when it comes down to it, guys, zoom the F out, man. Zoom the F out. You guys are saying in the chat all the time are so right. So right, man. Let's look what Bitcoin's done over the course of time. Let's look what it looks like right now, okay? This is what I'll say. Look what Bitcoin's done over the course of time. Look what it's doing right now. It's still this is what I find funny about the crypto space, man, is when you zoom out on the weekly time frame, which investors normally do. They normally do this crap on stocks and stuff, right? But when it comes to crypto, they don't. Consistently making higher lows and higher highs. That's really all that matters here in the general grand scheme of things. That's what we're doing on the weekly. When you zoom out over long term, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. You're still going up and to the right. Yes, you have these short-term little swings, these little 3 months and year, maybe even year or two of downwards price action. Sideways price action. Yeah, it sucks. Zoom the frick out. Okay? And something tells me when we're back in whatever it is, let's forget what happens this year. Let's forget what happens in 2022, 2023, 2024. Something tells me we get back to 2025, okay? All the people that are bearish right now are going to be so freaking salty. They're going to be so pissed off saying Bitcoin's a scam when we're up here. Okay, I'm not going to say that high. I'm not going to be that high. When Bitcoin's when Bitcoin's in this range here, right? Over the course of time, right? I will tell you right now, all the people that are bearish right now will be the people that are super, super freaking salty when we get up to those levels. Whenever I'm going to say 2025 as a general barometer here, okay? I don't know if it's going to take that long, but we're going to use it as a barometer. Those people will be super, super salty, all right? And they'll be investing in their gold. They'll get their 50% gains. Maybe probably not. You probably end up going negative over the course of time, but we won't get into that. That's probably what's going to happen, man. So I'm telling you right now. I am telling you right now. Don't come at me in 2 years. Don't come at me in 3 years. Don't come at me in a year. When Bitcoin's higher and you're salty, okay? I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. I really, really don't want to hear it because you've had all the opportunity and you've had a year. You've had a year to accumulate Bitcoin in the 30K, 40K region. You've pretty much had a year to do so. So if you don't do it and Bitcoin goes higher at some point, that's on freaking you. That's on freaking you. And you have no one else to blame but yourself. You might not realize that right now, but that is on you. I don't want to hear it when the time comes. I really don't. I really, really don't, man.
Rant alert.
I don't. Because I will have no sympathy because you were too scared. You were too much of a scaredy cat with no ball sack to buy when there's fear. The people that buy and the people that have ball sacks, the people that actually have sacks, the people that actually can invest when the market's low and you don't do this.
I'm gonna buy the top and I'm gonna sell the bottom, guys.
Those are the people that make it at the end, all right? So don't come at me, man. Don't come at me when the time comes, all right? Don't come at me. Don't do it. Let's see. Clint said, a barometer is not a proper tool to measure crypto weather, man. Clint's kind of trolling today, too. Everyone's kind of trolling today. Even me. Even I'm kind of trolling today. You can see Perma George. Perma George, man. Gold jump. Clancy said, yeah, F the Bears. Yeah, Clancy. That's what I'm talking about. There's the passion. I see all I literally see all the hype in here today. I see the good vibes in here today. I see the bulls back in here today. I like it, man. I like it. I don't know why sometimes I'm negative on here. Right? You know, I get caught up, like I said earlier, guys, I get caught up in these charts right here, right? But more than any of them, okay? I do. But it really doesn't mean shit. Doesn't mean shit. Buy the dip. Jordan is constipated. Oh, trust me right now, I am not constipated. If I sat on that toilet right now, I'm telling you right now, man, you would hear crazy stuff coming from that toilet. It would be like an xylophone mixed with a drum coming through that toilet, man. Boom, there'd be every type of noise coming out. I'm telling you right now. Anyways, DJ said Jordan would lose his balls if they weren't in a bag. Wait, what? Lose my balls? Let's see. Jordan in denial? Denial. What am I in denial about? I'm chilling. Bitcoin's not going below 20K. It ain't going below 20K. I'm chilling. And unless Bitcoin goes to 10K, I'm still chilling. If Bitcoin goes to 10K, all right, whatever. Probably back where I started on altcoins. But it's not. It's at 38K. People forget that Ethereum, okay? People forget this. I love when people forget this, all right? You guys know I love ETH. People forget that the second biggest market cap crypto in 2020, Ethereum was under $100 per ETH. Okay? People forget this. People forget this crap. All right? ETH was under $100 in 2020. Think about that for a second. Right now, where is it? It's probably what? 26. Where's Captain ETH? Where's Captain Ethereum, man? 2600. Yeah, that's what I thought. 2600, all right? ETH is at 2600 right now. But I'm chilling, man. And that's what the mindset should be. You should be chilling, okay? Because it really doesn't mean shit. This little short-term price action between $2,000 and $5,000, $2,000, $5,000, $2,000, $5,000, $2,000, $5,000. Is it not going to matter when ETH is at 20K, 30K, 40K a couple years from now? No, it's not going to matter. It ain't going to matter one bit. But if you guys want to look at ETH, okay, just to kind of segue into a little bit of ETH here on the daily, ETH is also at its golden pocket, right? We know Bitcoin hit its 618, right? Bitcoin smashed its 618, right? And right there. So ETH at the 618, will this be a point where we get some type of reversal to the upside, okay? Well, will this be the point where we get some type of reversal to the upside? So I think so, right? I'm not, guys, I'm not going to back away from my prediction. I sound like BitBoy right now. I'm not going to back away from my prediction. My sources have told me, okay? Guys, I've been saying this forever. My sources have told me that Bitcoin will hit 56K in the month of March, okay? Bitcoin will hit 56K in March of 2022. I'm calling it right now. 56K. Bitcoin will top at 56K in March of 2022. You heard it here first. If I'm wrong, I'll take the L. You guys know I don't care if I'm wrong. I've been wrong plenty of times. But that's going to be my bet, okay? 56K Bitcoin in March of 2022, right? So we have the whole month of March to do it, all right? I'm not going to make an exact day, but that's I'm calling it right now, man. I'm calling it right now. And we'll see ETH, if that's a scenario, we'll see ETH back above at least 4K, okay? At least back above 4K. So keep that in mind. Eat sock. I ain't eating the sock, man. I ain't eating the sock. I'm not eating the damn sock. Polly said, love this channel. Thank you, Polly. Thanks for hanging out, Polly. With or without war? Screw this stupid war. I don't want to talk about this, man. This stupid war, man. I'm so tired of hearing about this crap. I really am. I really, really am, man. You notice how all this crap comes out at the same exact time? People fall for this crap every single time, man. Make sure you hit the like button if you haven't already. I appreciate it very, very much, guys. Smack that like button like you never smacked anything before, okay? Like you never smacked anything before, okay? Just do it. Just do it, as Nike would say. The fractal retrace will save us. Hell yeah, man. I told you guys I'm taking profits on the way up. I'm not making that same mistake. Bobby R. Max said, great TA. Thank you, man. What do you want? What do you want to see, the MACD on the hourly? We already ranted about this today. What do you want to see? Okay? What do you want to see? The MACD on the hourly? Do you want to see the MACD on the 15-minute? Is that going to change what Bitcoin does here in the medium term? The MACD on the hourly, the MACD on the 15-minute, you know, the Bollinger Bands on the 4-hour. Is that going to change what Bitcoin does? Is that going to change it?
Nope.
Is that going to change it? All that matters. I'm telling you guys right now. Okay, I'm telling you guys right now. The most successful and most accurate trader that I have seen literally only looks at support and resistance lines and sometimes Fibonacci levels. That's it. Okay? People try to make this stuff so difficult when in reality, it's all about breaking previous resistance. You break the previous resistance, you go to the next one. You break the previous support, you go to the next support. Okay? Fibonacci levels, they play out almost perfectly every single time. People want to use all these fancy things. The most successful trader and the best, this guy kills it every single macro move. All he does is look at support and resistance and looks at basic sentiment. That's all he does. Okay? People try to make this stuff so difficult, man. They try to sound smarter than they actually are by looking at all these stupid indicators that don't matter. Okay? They don't matter at all unless you're some scalper. I'm not a scalper. Okay? I don't care about scalping. I don't care about scalping these trades. Okay? That's not what I do. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. I'm not going to rant any more about that. Waterfly said, go crap boss. We see you in toilet before. Oh boy. You guys want a toilet stream again? You guys could probably see the toilet stream soon. All you have to do is turn around. Clint said, you are slurring your S's. My S's? What am I, a snake? Not a snake, Clint. Please repeat Slim Slucker. Real fast for verification. Here we go. Slim Slicker 10. Oh, wait. I feel like I'm going to say something bad. Hold on. Let me say this to myself real quick. Slim Slicker. No. We're not going there. We're not going there. I see what you're trying to do, Clint. I see what you're trying to do. We're not going there. Why do you guys think I'm drunk? I literally had 2 drinks, man. I trust you, I'm not. I'm just in a good mood today, and you know I'm sick of talking. I felt ranty. I was sick of talking about the same things over and over again. Okay, and this is how I get when I'm sick about saying the same things over and over again. Right? That's how I get. Now I'm a little bit sweaty, and I have to take a crap. So maybe that's why I sound a little bit. Maybe that's why I sound a little bit anxious. And my legs are I'm like shaking my legs like crazy because there's like literally poop coming out of my bum. No, there's actually not. There's actually not. We can rewind that. We'll play Vitalik crapping. We'll play Vitalik clapping to get your mind off that real quick. All right. Uh-oh. Whoa, Vitalik, what's going on here, buddy? What just happened? What just happened, man? What just happened? Oh, crap. That's too funny. That's too funny, man. The other video? Picking his nose?
No. Were they singing the song when he's standing there? And then he's the stage?
I don't have that one on here. But yeah, man. That's what it is. Happy and crappy. He's happy and crappy. Jordan needs factor 50K sunblock on that forehead. It's hot. Look at how hot it is right now. I'm sweating. Now we're gonna take the hat off, just so you guys can see the sweat. No, but in all seriousness, that's what we're waiting for. You know, that's what we're waiting for. So we're chilling. Why are you not happy, guys? Why are you not happy right now? This is ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Dude, don't lose Vitalik Clappy. You're gonna lose subs, bro. Vitalik Clappy? Why would we lose Vitalik Clappy? That makes no sense. That makes literally no sense. Why would we ever do that? You know? I think if I got rid of Vitalik Clappy, this is what I would look like. Okay? You guys would be attacking me. I would have a big black eye because you guys would be absolutely destroying me if I got rid of Vitalik Clappy. Okay? That'll never happen on this channel because it is the thing that gets us excited, okay? All right, let me know if there's any altcoins you guys want to talk about. I don't know if you guys are interested in talking about altcoins today. I have no idea. I never can judge you guys. I don't know if you guys want to talk about altcoins. You guys want me to rant. You guys want me to just talk. You know? I don't know. I never know. I never know. So I know some days you guys are like, we don't want to talk about altcoins. There's nothing important going on with altcoins. Okay? There's nothing important going on with altcoins. Looks like you got the Bob meat sweats. I did not eat a lot of chicken. More pasta. More it's thick pasta sauce and thick Alfredo sauce and just a giant piece of chicken. It was really good though. It was really good. I will have to say. That's a weak black guy.
Looks like you got the Bob meat sweat.
Too much meatloaf, man. The meatloaf. Want to see Bob's meat sweats right now? His are brutal. Mom! I'm sweating! Mom, I had too much meatloaf! Mom! Help! I'm literally drenched! I'm drowning in my sweat! Ma! Mountain Dew! Please! Please bring me the Mountain Dew! Help! I need the sugar! No! Oh, crap, man. Bob eats way too much meatloaf. Way too much meatloaf. The Twilight Zone. Algo? He's a great cook. I am the greatest cook there is. Everything I cook is good. Everything I cook is good. You know why? Because I put the passion behind it. It's all about, when you're cooking, it's all about the passion behind it. It doesn't have to be the ingredients, right? You could just cook chicken. But if you cook good chicken, it is good chicken. Sir, I think pork. Pork's the best. Pork. Give me some pork. Sir did say, gotta put that fire out with some Code Red Mountain Dew. MM would spit now, Jordan covered in sweat. God, that's not MM crypto, man. You guys want to check out Algo? Some guys said Algo. I don't know if you meant actually Algo, or it's Algo in the chat. I don't know what you guys are talking about. I have no idea. Let's go see what Algo's doing. ALGO. Algorand. Where is Algorand? There it is. What is Algo doing, man? Algo's been just chilling. It's coming back down to test its previous swing lows. So, you know, if we take a look at Algo here, let's actually just bring this line down here. What we want to see is some type of double bottom action, obviously, right? Now, we know back in the summertime, we actually had a triple bottom, 1, 2, 3, and that was the bounce to the upside. Can we see something similar here, right? If Bitcoin does what we hope, which is, you know, hold the general region we're in right now, what we want to hope for, the best case scenario is a bounce off the previous swing low, right? And then a continuation up into some type of W reversal formation. And we know a lot of the times, these altcoins and Bitcoin alike love to reverse direction, whether it's back to the downside or to the upside in these W reversals, okay? Obviously, you had a massive wick to the downside, right? It looks like the market makers are looking to come take that liquidity, come back and test that wick, come back down. Will we see that W formation back to the upside here, right? That's going to be the question. They love to do that stuff, right? They did it right here in the summertime as well, right? Giant wick to the downside, came back up, came back down, took that liquidity back, and then boom, right back up to the upside. Will we see a similar thing? That's what we ultimately are hoping for here. Obviously, we'll find out if they actually do that, but that's what they love to do. I mean, you can look at it so many times back in the past. Holy crap. You guys remember this wick? This wick, man. We went from 189 all the way up to like $3 in the course of like an hour. That was a crazy wick. But nevertheless, that's what we're hoping for. Short term, let's get back above the 20 EMA in the daily. But ultimately, that is probably what we're waiting for in the daily time frame, right? Is hopefully a W back to the upside. Right now, you're building some bullish divergence too. So you got some lower lows and you got some higher lows coming in. Let's hope for that reversal with Bitcoin, right? It all comes down to BTC. It all comes down to BTC for these altcoins. So that's what I'm seeing. That's what we're hoping for here in Algo, and probably for a bunch of different altcoins nonetheless, right? Let's see if they do it, man. Let's see if they do it. So many zeros. Crushing it right now, Dogeco. Oh, God. Is that better than Doge Coke? I hate Doge Coke. Or was it? No, it was Doge Pepsi. Who came up with Doge Pepsi, man? Out of anything you could name a meme coin, you call it Doge Pepsi, right? Out of anything you name it. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. Like, why are you naming it Doge Pepsi? It's nuts. Keith said, why are you ignoring me? What are you saying, Keith? Keith, say what you want, man. I won't ignore you this time, okay? I'm kind of just reading the chat right now because that's what we're doing right now. Doge Pepsi is a taste of a new generation. Doge Pepsi. Listen, I was hoping for the same thing from Pussy Financial. Pussy Financial screwed me, man. That thing went up like 500%. I thought I was going to be a pussy millionaire, and then it came right back down to the downside, and it dropped like 90%. I think it's actually down more than that now. Pussy, man. What are you gonna do? I was convinced that the cat coins were gonna have their run. All the dog coins had their run. So I was like, hey, people love cats too. I don't love cats. I love dogs. I was hoping the cat coin run was gonna start, but no, of course not. Of course Jordan doesn't get the right thing going. There we go. And you saw Shib pump instead of the cats. Spank Chain FOMO time. I still hold Spank Chain too. Spank Chain. It's another one that's deep depths into the crypto abyss that at some point you hope comes back. All right? That's what you're hoping for. DJ said that pussy pumped fast. Yeah, it did. It did pump very, very fast, but it came right back real quick. It was like... How about Diet Doge? Diet Doge? Who drinks diet soda? It doesn't taste... It tastes... All right. Quick rant alert real quick.
Rant alert.
If you're going to drink soda, out of all things, guys, if you're going to drink soda, why just drink regular soda? Diet soda doesn't even taste good. It tastes like this, has this artificial taste that tastes absolutely disgusting. Okay? It doesn't taste disgusting. It's still good. It's still soda at the end of the day. But it doesn't taste anywhere as good as normal soda. If you're going to drink soda, just drink your damn soda, right? Stop being a pansy. Just drink your damn soda. Work a little bit more at the gym and you can have a normal soda, right? Don't get these pansy 0-calorie sodas. It's for pansies, man. Stop drinking Diet Coke and Diet Pepsi. It's disgusting, man. Just have a normal soda at that point.
Rant alert.
All right, enough about soda. Diet is actually worse for you. I've actually heard that. I've heard that. I've heard that the artificial sweeteners actually have worse side effects than sugar does. There you go. Maya confirmed. Makes you bloated. I don't think that's why, right? But
No, that is true.
maybe it's true. I don't know. Drink Coke coffee. Coke coffee? That actually sounds kind of good. I actually probably would try that, actually. Sounds weirdly good, actually. Coke mixed with coffee. It sounds really good. All right, what else can we look at? We have anything else we can look at here? I don't know if you guys want to talk anymore. We'll look at this again. I don't want to talk about this again, right? I don't want to talk about this again. If we were looking at this, I do think we're in... I think right now, I think we were in anger, and we got that little bit of a rally to the upside. I think we're getting to depression, man. I think a lot of people are getting to depression. You can just tell, all right? You can just tell. A lot of people are getting there. That's where I think we are, right? My retirement money is lost, right? Let's have Bob do it. Bob loves to say this stuff, right? This sums up all of Twitter right now. Who shorted the market? Why did the government allow this to happen? Biden, we want regulation. We want regulation. This is ridiculous. The crypto market is such a scam. I was promised Lambo. Biden, we want regulation. Where is it? Where is it, Biden? My retirement money is lost. How can we pay for all this new stuff? I'm an idiot. Literally says, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. That sums up all of Twitter and all the YouTube comments at the moment, man. I think we're somewhere down here. Hey, you can disagree with me if you want, but that's where I think we are, right? And we could stay down there for a while, right? We could stay down here for a while, but that's generally where I think we are, man. Just everyone calling themselves idiots, everyone blaming other people for their mistakes. That's where we are, man. I'm telling you. Aaron said, you look like Lord of the Rings. Lord of the Rings? Oh, wait. Lord of the Ring. Oh, is that the... Oh, I do kind of look like that guy. I do kind of look like that guy. That's actually very true. I do. Very true. I know what guy you're talking about from Lord of the Rings. Pretty spot on. Denise said, I'm done being angry, now just sad. Denise! Come on, Denise. Come on, Denise. You and DJ. Come on, Denise. Didn't you remember that you and DJ? I don't know if DJ's going to Vegas, but if he is, we're making this happen. We are making this happen, okay? And it's gonna happen. I already know it's gonna happen, okay? Sorry, sir, dude. Let's see. What else are we talking about here? Frodo? I look like Frodo. You guys are too funny, man. All right. Let's see. Cody said 100% we're in depression for crypto market. I'm worried traditional markets aren't there, though. That's true. That's very, very true, man. That's kind of a good thing to talk about right now, guys. The stock market did not end the week great, right? And this is what we said. Like, we made the lowest low that we did since October. We actually closed below the previous swing low, which we didn't want to do, right? And this is something that might throw the wrench and stuff, right? Obviously, everyone knows this, right? Crypto generally follows the stock market. The stock market closed, and this is why this week could be such a weird week, right? Because we closed right at the 50-week EMA, right at the 50-week. And what we've seen is that's a very, very big swing level in the past. Right? When we hold this, it's great, right? We can have big drop-offs, but we hold it, right? We held it here. We came back up, came back down. We held it here, came back up, came back down, held it here, came back up, came back down. We lost it, kind of boom, right? Came back up, came back down, held the 50-week, right? And that's, for the S&P, that's been such a big level just over the course of time. Like, you even go back further. Look at this. We came up, came back down, tested the 50-week. Came back up, came back down, tested the 50-week. Came back up, came back down, tested the 50-week, right? We broke it, and then kaboom, right? So what I've noticed is when the S&P breaks the 50-week, that's when you see significant sell-offs. And that's typically what we see. Look at this, man. Look, it's like clockwork. Look at this. Back test 50-week, back test 50-week, back test 50-week, continue up, okay? But what do we do here? We back test 50-week, continued up, broke the 50-week, kaboom. Okay, came back up, tested the support, held it, broke it, kaboom. Okay, so this is why I've been looking at this a lot. Is if the S&P breaks the 50-week, that could spell a little bit of trouble. I mean, I wouldn't say a little bit of trouble. That could definitely spell a lot of trouble here for crypto. But we close right at it. So this is why this week could be a big swing week. We have a big red week for S&P, for the stock market. Bada bing, bada boom, that could be pretty ugly for crypto. But we hold it, like we've done a lot in the past, and bounce off of it. That could be not the catalyst for crypto, but a positive outcome for crypto here. So we'll watch that, man. Yeah, it's something we're going to watch, and I've been watching this actually a lot myself. Actually going back in time and saying that the 50-week is the level to watch overall for the stock market, man, which obviously has a huge correlation to Bitcoin. So that's what we've been saying. Nice. It's going to be a crazy week. Could be a very, very crazy week. Very, very crazy week. Paul said, lucky to see 50K this year. We'll find out, man. We'll really find out. All right, so Bitcoin's just chilling here, guys. We just kind of chilling. We just kind of chilling. Altcoins, anything really popping right now? Not really. Not really. What's new? What is new? Nothing. You guys remember the days where every day we used to come on here and, you know, just to kind of reminisce about it, because sometimes it's good to always good in life to go back and you know, kind of think about, you know, obviously any type of positive thing, right? So you guys remember the days where we used to sit here, we used to come on here every single day, and there were multiple altcoins up 30%, 40%, 50%. Most altcoins up 10% at least, all right? Bitcoin usually up every single day. Those are the days, man. Those were the days. We'll go back to those days. We're going to have patience. We go back to those days. There will be that day when it'll feel euphoric again, okay? And when Bitcoin feels euphoric, it feels absolutely crazy. It feels like it's a train that's never going to stop. And sometimes it doesn't stop for a while. We will see those days again. Sorry, I thought there was a snake in here. We will see those days again. But just got to continue to work at it, man. Continue to pick away. Continue to just keep your head forward. Keep your head up, most importantly. Keep your head up. Don't keep your head down. There's no point in keeping, I say it again, there's no point in keeping your head down. You got to just chill out, man. Chill out, right? And this is what I'll say. This is going to sound bad. Have an expectation that any money you invest in crypto, you're not going to make money on it for 4 years. Just, I want you guys to do that from now on. And that might sound crazy. You might sound, Jordan, I don't want to wait 4 years. That's not the point. If you invest something into crypto, don't have expectations of where you want that money to be short term. Think about it this way. Think about it as a 4-year investment. Think about it as, I'm not going to take this money out for 4 years. Even if you take it out before, right? Even if crypto moons before 4 years, okay? And you take it out before, go into it with the expectation that I might not make money for 4 years. If you go with that expectation, you don't get stressed out. You expect it, okay? You expect it. And any type of upwards movement before that is just gravy. Literally just gravy on top of some turkey and some stuffing. It's really, really great. Really, really juicy. Let's see. 10 green dailies in a row. Good times. Yeah, Cody, remember that? That was crazy. I remember we were singing the song. On the 10th day of green, the bears. What was it? On the 10th daily green day, Savvy gave to me 10 bears hanging from a tree. I remember this. I forgot who came up with that song. That was such a great song. Such a great song back in the day. But yeah, this is what we're watching next week, guys. This is what we're watching next week. Right here. Could we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Could we go 5 or so days going sideways here to the end of next week? Absolutely. But I'm going to stick with this until I'm wrong. Okay? Or until the blockchain backer fractal's wrong. I will continue to stick with this, continue to ride this until it doesn't work. Okay? And I'm actually, if Bitcoin does get a rally here, okay, I am 100%. This will be almost too freaky. If Bitcoin does get a rally up here, I am 110% going to be taking profits on the way up here. 110%, because this is almost too coordinated at this point. If it does come back up like this, It's almost too coordinated. I 100% will be taking the profits that I told you guys about. 46K. Okay. And back up here, right? Back up here, I'd probably be front running a little bit. 40, 54, 55, 56. I will be taking profits up here as well. 110%. You might be calling me a paper hand because of that, but I just think that's the smart way to go in the current market conditions. And this is money that I'll take profits in order to, if this continues to play out, just to buy back low, right? It's not money that I'm going to take in to keep into fiat. No, it's going to be money that I'm going to use to buy back low and pretty much double up on my bags if this scenario doesn't play out. If it plays out. If we continue to go up, all right, cool, whatever. I still got 80% of my portfolio to go back to the upside. But that's my game plan right now. That's my game plan right now. The other game plan, obviously, if this just breaks and we just come to the downside, just keep accumulating, man. Keep accumulating and thinking about the longer term mindset. That's all it is right now. We're not looking at all these fancy indicators, all right? We're not doing that. That's what we're watching. Cody said time in the market. Let's see. Where is that fractal from? That's 2018. 2018, Handleton. 2018 fractal. It's a bear market fractal. It's a bear market fractal. I mean, it's not a bullish fractal by any means. It's bullish for the short term, all right? Bullish for a short term move up. All right, Bitcoin's trying to come up right now. Let's see what this is all about. Probably, I don't know if it's going to last. It's on the 15-minute chart too, by the way. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy as you watch short-term Bitcoin price action. Ian said, getting the Plan B vibe with the fractal, Jay. Is it generally a well-known fractal, famous kind of vibe? It's getting there. It definitely is. It definitely is.
Top of your head and say expectations super fast for 10 seconds. Dance puppet dance.
What? Clint, I'm gonna do this for you, but I don't know what this entails. I don't know if this is gonna get me in trouble for any reason, but here we go. Wait, tap the top of your head and say expectations super fast for 10 seconds. Expectations. Oh man. Expectations. I don't know what I'm doing, man. There we go. This just for you, Clint. There you go, man. He said finally. Look at the top of his head. Oh, crap, man. Always trouble. Let's see. Expectations, what? I'm gonna get canceled for that somehow. So dumb, man. It really is so dumb. All right, come on, BTC. Do something right now. Come on, give us something. Give us something to cheer about. Woo! Woo! Give us something to cheer about. Callum said, I just got here. I'm out. Callum, come on, man. He said that was worth it. I don't know what I just did, but we're going to go with it. We're going to go with it. Pyatt said, I'm coming for this stuff. Nice, man. At least you're not coming for the buy bits. The buy bits. The buy bits.
And I'm here to bring you this cryptocurrency video. Bitcoin has fallen out from this falling wedge, and I have made 100x on my long position over here on Bybit. You guys should go use my Bybit link. Links down in the description. Bybit link. Bybit link. Bybit link. Bybit link. Bybit link.
Strap up.
Bybit
We're
link.
going to the moon.
You like Bybit. Freaking Carl, man. Never gets old. Never gets old. Deanna said, you can't imagine how much I miss Java. He's gone, man. I don't know what to tell you. Nope. Let's see. We still need Maya to do XTZ TA. Okay. It's probably better than mine. She still doesn't want to do it, guys. She is very shy. She's actually not.
I don't care about that at this moment.
All right, let's see. I'll do XTZ. All right, I'll do XTC for you, and then if we decide to have a guest, maybe we'll get lucky. Okay. Let's look at XTZ. Let's see. So XT Zizzle. Oh man, XTZ. Let me actually just get rid of the EMAs here. XTZ. It's gonna have a upwards. I mean, just an upward sloping trend line to the upside. Right, 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches, 4 touches. Coming back down to test. Coming back down to probably test this trend line once again. Probably makes the most sense at this point. I mean, this is what XTZ's just been in this channel forever, man. Look at this channel. Look at this freaking channel for XTZ. You've been in this channel since February of 2020. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. At some point, you're hoping you go back up just to continue the trend. The trend's your friend until the end, man. I guess you can even probably extend this further if you want. If you really want to get really dubious with this, but yeah, dude. I mean, this thing's just going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Your hope here, once again, with a lot of these altcoins, is some type of W reversal to the upside. Once again, market makers love to come back down to test the lows to get the liquidity and come back up. All right, so you had the low, you came back up. You're going to come back down, make a second low, and make a W reversal back to the upside off the support line that you came back and tested 5 times in the past. Certainly a heavy possibility. And I think what makes the most sense here. I think it makes the most sense. You guys know, expecting to move upwards here in the next couple of weeks. Okay? I think that is what makes the most sense. So have some patience. All right? XTZ is another one. Got to get back above the EMA short term, right, on the daily and everything, but I would say that the daily makes the most sense. You're just coming back up, back down to test this trend line here. W reversal, get the liquidity to the downside, come back up. All right? It makes the most sense. Obviously, bearing in mind and hoping that that stock market doesn't absolutely collapse. That we already talked about that earlier, right? Stock market breaks the 50-week, bada bing, bada boom. We're going to the downside. It's over. All right? It's over. Let's see. Ray, I got you on Solana, brother. I got you on Solana. Chris P said, everyone buy Harmony 1. I need money. Hey, I'm sitting on Harmony 1 too, man. We all sitting on Harmony 1. Let's do Solana for my guy, Ray. Solana. Everyone buy Harmony. Let's pump the bags. No, but let's go check out Solana real quick. So Solana, where's Mr. Soul? I got a soul sister. None of it, my whole sister. I don't know how the rest of the song goes. But Soul, let's see. Let's take the swing low. The swing low. Yeah, I'll take it from here. Swing low to swing high. Yeah. Yeah, right there. Let's take it from there. So this one hasn't really respected the fibs. At least it didn't really respect the 618 at all. Like literally whatever. But now it's the same thing, right? Look at these alts. They're all in the same predicament. They're all in the exact same predicament. Look at Sol. Look at Sol coming back down to test the lows, right? Your hope once again for this alt, right? For this alt is a W reversal. You got no bullish div on Sol, but it's the same type of formation, right? And overall, I mean, what you're hoping for here is the same type of thing. Bada bing, bada boom. Double bottom, W reversal to the upside, right? Get the liquidity on this wick and pump back up. That's what you're hoping for. That's what you're hoping for Bitcoin to do. That's what you're hoping for altcoins to do also. Now, keep in mind, like if we zoom in here real quick, I think I see a little bit of a possible wedgie on Sol that could also help this argument here a little bit. It's a little bit of a shady wedge, I would say, but it's definitely there, right? It's definitely there. You're making lower lows, and lower highs, right? In some type of wedge formation, right? Target would be back up at the highs at $120, back up at the top of the wedge here. We'll see if it plays out, but I don't hate how the daily and the 4-hour look at the moment. I don't hate it whatsoever. Bitcoin's just chilling, by the way, still, guys. Solana respects no one. Respects no one, man. Shiba's pumping. Shiba is pumping. Let's see. Dubious speculation. Who balls false? Jordan or Ben Cowan? Let's do a poll. Let's do a poll. Who goes bald first? Jordan. Ben Cowan. Clint. Oh man, I had Clint in there. I just have to do it, man. I like picking on Clint. Who goes bald first? Right? I couldn't do it to Sir Dude because I already know he's not bald. Well, he tells me he looks like me. So who goes bald first? Let me know in the chat. Drew said, when will XRP get to $300? Should I buy now or wait? Drew, you should buy now. You should buy now 100%, man. Let's go see what BitBoy has to say. The best channel in the interwebs. Now, guys, I still believe that XRP is going to hit $389 in 2022. Now, I did say that was going to happen in 2021, but my sources backtracked on me and actually told me that they gave me false information. So XRP now, what I believe is we are going to hit a $300 XRP in 2022. Definitely 100% going to happen, guys. This SEC lawsuit case will be settled in 2022. I know I said that in 2020 and 2021 as well, but it will happen in 2022. I promise you guys. All right, it is going to happen, just like all my other calls. Right, all my other calls have been extremely accurate in 2021. So that's what's going to happen here, guys. But anyways, that's really it. Once again, the best channel in the cryptoverse. TJ, can you ban all these guys? Ban them. They're making fun of my shirt. Ban every single one of them, TJ. They're all making fun of my shirt, my Hawaiian shirt. It's a great Hawaiian shirt. You guys are just jealous. You guys can't get Hawaiian shirts. You guys are just jealous that you guys don't understand market cipher too. Okay, ban them all, TJ. Ban every single one of them. Every single one of them, TJ. Gosh, man. Gosh. What are we doing here? What are we doing here? There we go. Very accurate. Let's see. Jedi Knight. The XRP Army shirt. Let's see. Bitcoin fan pumped. Jordan, face extension is growing every week. Face extension? Are you guys talking about my ears again? And my ears are low? They ain't low, bro. They're high. They ain't low, bro. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. All right, guys. I'm probably going to call it a stream here. Because there really is nothing going on, man. Like, listen. Bitcoin right now, I will say... Actually, hold on. We're not getting off yet. We ain't getting off yet. I know no one... I don't care about short-term price action, but I just want to see something, man. Looks like Bitcoin could be making up. This is the 15-minute chart. Oh, this is actually the hourly chart. I'm sorry. I lied to you guys. This is the hourly chart. Well, we'll stay on for a couple more minutes, see if Bitcoin can make a little bit more upwards movement here. I'm not expecting a giant move today. Okay, we could. I would love a giant move today. Maybe we just start front running this a little bit. Hopefully. Okay, but let's wait and see. Come on, BTC. Give us something, man. Give us something. Here we go. Poll results. Oh, my bad. Who goes bald first? Jordan, Ben Cowan, or Clint? You guys are too much, man. You guys are too much. I'll take the L on that one, man. I will take the L. Look at it. Look at it. Yes, it's gonna be me. I'm gonna ball before Ben Cowan, apparently. Not at this rate. Not. I will say that I will not ball before Ben Cowan if lengthening cycles is not correct. Okay. He has his whole life on this stuff. The whole life on lengthening cycles, man. We'll see if he's right. We'll see if he's right. Sir Dude said, I've watched Jordan's hairline get more bearish by the day for a year now. No, you haven't, dude. Listen, the only reason it looks bearish right now is because, one, I'm sweaty. Two, I didn't do my hair, so it looks extra bearish. And three, because it's super short right now. Super short. What did Bath say? The forehead won the war. It won the war. All right, BTC's trying to get a move back up. Come on, BTC. Come on, BTC. Let's get it, boy. Let's friggin' get it. Let's start that upwards movement today. All right? I don't know if we're actually going to do it. I'm sort of just getting hyped for no reason, but let's hope that Bitcoin gets that move up today. If you guys just joining the stream now, make sure you guys keep hitting up that like button, by the way. Always helps out the stream. Appreciate when you do it every single day. Takes 2 seconds. Smack it. I know everyone's upset. I know everyone's depressed. I know everyone's blah, 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 blah. I appreciate it, guys. What we're expecting here is this. Let's start that today, right? Let's not wait a couple days, right? The fractal says maybe we wait a couple days here, right? But let's not wait a couple days. Let's start it today. That's what I want to do. I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready to get the party started. Back up to 56K. I don't know about you. I don't know about y'all. Jordan needs a Keep sponsorship. Why did I just whistle like that? What the heck was that? What's Keeps? What's Keeps? I don't know what that is, guys. I'm assuming it's some type of hair thing. That's what I'm assuming. Maya on stream would send it to 40K. She doesn't want to come on. She's very bearish on you guys. She's very, very bearish. She won't even come up and say hi. Let me know. Let me know, guys. She's bearish. Happy clappy. Metal Bug say gonna drop like a rock when stocks open tomorrow. That's what we're watching for, man. That's what we're watching for. Could be a very, very, very weird week. Very, very weird. If you ask me. The grammar whistle. It was the grammar whistle. You know you're getting old when you talk and you start whistling for no reason. That happens to me sometimes. I go, yeah, I'm so upset. But I whistle. I can't do it on purpose, though. I'm so upset. So upset. That's more of a lisp. It's not really a whistle. I'm so set. I'm so set. Unsubbing unless she comes on stream. I'm unsubbing too. A lot of pressure on you right now. You want to just say hi? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Everyone say hi in the chat. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Everyone say it in the chat. Come on. We're not watching anything else here. Coleman said, I miss the old Java. Short from the Lowe's Java. Me too. The one that used to cry every day and used to, the one that used to cry every day and all that stuff.
Old Java, short from the Lowe's Java. Please and
Unsubbing. Say hi. Say hi. Here's everyone in the chat. Say hi. Everyone's saying say hi in the chat. It's over. Huan said, do you think Russia will invade Ukraine? Do I think Russia will invade Ukraine?
Nope.
It's 2022. We ain't seeing no invasion. I'm telling you guys right now. It's 2022. We ain't seeing no invasion. All right?
Nope.
It's my thought process. Okay, I could be wrong. She got to go. Huan said, do you think Russia will... Oh, we already did that. I don't know why I read that twice. But yeah. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Break up with her now. Say hi. Say hi. All right, here she comes. Here she comes.
No.
Come on. Come on. Come over here real quick. All right. She said a few minutes, guys. We're giving her 3 minutes. 8:15. She has to come over here. Okay. 8:15. She has to come over here. That's what we're doing right now. All right. 39,025. Rip. Josie. That's what we said in 2008. That's true, Clint. I guess that's true. All right, here comes Bitcoin. A little bit. Let's not get too excited, but we're getting a little bit of move to the upside.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
Here goes Bitcoin a little bit. Don't be FOMOing, though. Okay? Don't be FOMOing. Let's see. You can do it. 3 minutes or we're all on sub. 2 minutes now. Mike. Put the helmet on. We're not putting the helmet on, dude. I miss the days where we wore the... Remember, guys, we used to wear the helmet like every day? There was probably 1 to 2 months that we literally wore the helmet every single day. And that was awesome, right? We saw Java crying every single day. We saw Bob. We saw Bob like, you guys are all moon boys. Look at all you moon boys. The price is going to dump. You guys are idiots. Like, we're clearly in a bear market. This is clear a dead cat bounce. Like, yeah. Yeah. It's a dead cat bounce. It clearly is. Clearly. Oh, those are the good days, man. When Bob was just pissed all the time. Java was crying all the time. The moon helmet was on all the time. Man. Those are some good days. Fake dump. Finger on the sub button. Bob was right. A little bit. I guess he was kind of right. Boy. What's the 4 hour looking like? Nothing really changed. Nothing's changed, as Savvy would say.
Nothing has changed.
So dude said we really need Java back. I can't find him, dude. I'll try to find him again tomorrow, okay? I'll try it again tomorrow. I gotta find Java again. We gotta find Java again. It's not the same without Java. It's not, man. It's just not. When he said, can you please take a look at Phantom? Do you think of Phantom? Do you think it's a top 10 coin? Phantom? Top 10? It's just so hard to break into the top 10 now. There's so many good projects that can get into the top 10. It's like, how we can't. I mean, every good project can't be in the top 10, right? But I think Phantom, in a nutshell, okay? Phantom in a nutshell. Oh, she's trying to escape, guys. She's trying to escape. She'll be back. No, but I think Phantom in a nutshell has the possibility to be a top 10 coin. I think, being in the top 20 nowadays is impressive, right? I mean, how many good projects can be there? I mean, there's so many good projects like Phantom. So, listen, I like how it looks on the daily charts. But I've been invested in Phantom. I've been accumulating Phantom for a little bit. But can it get into the top? Where is it right now? It is at... Where is it? Am I blind? Where is it? Oh, 32. Can it get in the top 10? I don't know, man. You'd have to pass up projects like Luna, Avalanche, Sol, Cardano, XRP. You're passing some pretty well-known and coins with big fan bases, right? I mean, it's tough. It's tough to get in there, but I do like what I'm seeing, at least on the daily charts, right? I like this little wedge formation here. I do like this a lot, if you ask me. A lot. Show her his boss. She's coming right now. She's coming right now. Saving Private Jabba. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Let's see. She's just washing her hands. Our crypto is at the mercy of Putin, who has Parkinson's disease, and Biden, who has... That's so wrong, man. And you're probably not wrong, man. Listen, but we don't say things on here, right? We don't say things on here. We do not say those things on here, okay? We are very, very nice people on the stream. Here she comes.
No, I'm not doing it.
Come on.
You guys are putting too much
Come on.
pressure on me.
Come on.
What am I supposed to do?
Just say hi. Here she comes, guys.
That's too much
Come
pressure.
on. Come on.
I'm wearing green.
Doesn't matter.
Be invisible.
Come on.
No, please. Please.
You see your hand.
No, they can't.
All right. Come on. She's right here. Come on. Here we go. Just say hi real quick. Say hi.
I don't think I can do it.
Come on.
That's just weird.
She's being shy. She's gonna do it though. I can tell in her face she's gonna do it. Come on. Let's go. Guys, say it. Say hi. Say hi.
so
Say
weird.
hi. Say come on. All right, come on. Come on. Oh, she's going to sit down. Come on. Come on. She doesn't want to do it. She doesn't want to do it. She doesn't want to do it, man. Very bearish. Very bearish on her
I'm actually
attitude.
Very bullish.
Very bearish. Come on. Look at the chat. Look at the chat. They're all saying, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Come on.
I don't think I can do it.
Who cares? You didn't say that last night.
That's different.
Come on. Who cares? You're never going to see any of these people.
I'm gonna see some.
Well, some of them. You'll see them in the Vegas. Come on. Come on, man. Everyone's going to say it. They're going to say hi until you come on.
I'm gonna think about it.
Oh, no, come on. If you think about it, you're not going to do it. Come on.
It's because you guys want it. That's why it's not happening.
All right, come on. Come on. All you got to do is do it real quick. That's it. That's all you got to do. And then you dip. Then you're done.
It's gonna be awkward.
No, it's not. Come on. I'm not getting off until you do it. Come on.
That's gonna be bad.
Come on. Guys, my ticket to leave tonight is her coming on. So, come on.
Oh, they want you to stay. They want you
QM said I'm out. Flip the camera. Flip the camera. Come on.
That's bad.
All right, everyone's waiting. Come on, come on. Seriously. Seriously, come on.
This is gonna be so bad.
Here we go.
This is gonna be bad.
I'm gonna be upset if this is a dude. Someone said I'm upset if this is a dude.
It's actually Jabba.
Jordan's gonna get a talking to after the stream. Nah, I won't. No, I won't.
You said what?
Said Jordan's gonna get a talking to after the stream. Bitcoin's trying to come up, by the way, guys, right now. Trying to come up a little bit, 39K. Nothing else really going on right now.
This one from this angle.
Nope. Cody said, nice, I'm down to chill all night. Ryan said, I just want to know it's not Alexa and you talking to an actual person. Oh, man. She has an eye patch? Probably. Is this the OnlyFans portion of the stream? It is. It is. I'm waiting. Shane said she's going to withhold for a couple days now. Not about that.
Sure, that's fine.
All right, she doesn't want to do it, guys. She doesn't want to do it. So you know what? I'm gonna be very upset because she doesn't want to do it.
No, you're not.
Very upset.
You cannot be
But we're gonna do it a different time. We're gonna do it a different time. I'm very upset. Clint said, "I bet you $100 she won't say hi to us."
She won't say hi to us.
$100. Clint will do it for $100. Come on,
You might
$100.
lose. You might lose my
come on.
Where did you do it?
Clint's gonna give me $100 right now if you do it. $100. Even QM, right? Let's all party, guys. Here we go. Just say hi. It's DJ. Put your head in. It's like, you're a ghost. Just put your head in. You're a ghost.
Make me feel comfortable.
Come on. What do you feel about Bitcoin right now? Put a mask on like crypto face. Let's see. Clint is literally... Clint's going to do this. Clint is going to do this. All right, there you go. There you go. That was great. Oh, that was great. We'll get her into it, guys. We'll get her into it. That was just the first step, okay? We got the face on there. She's a ghost. She's a ghost, man. There we go. All right, we did it. We did it. She's alive. Oh, man. There we go, guys. We finally did it, man. After 20 minutes of convincing, we finally got her up here. She didn't say hi? Oh, come on, man.
I can do it.
All right, she's going to say hi. She's going to come back up and say hi. Here we go. Here we go.
I'm gonna look like a ghost again, okay?
Clint did it anyway.
Hi.
There you go. There we go. All right, we did it. We did it, guys. All right. We did it, man. Clint, I appreciate you, dude. You were the reason why it happened, man. Oh, man. Jordan's going to get a talking to after the stream. No, it's a ghost. It's a ghost. She can't touch me. It's a ghost. Shane said, buy her flowers now. Come on, man.
I don't like flowers.
Every day.
I don't
Every
like
day.
flowers.
Every day. It's what we do. But, all right. We'll end it on that. We'll end it on that. Appreciate all you guys for coming out today. Nothing really much going on in the market, but that was good to get that over with there. It's good to get that over with. So
Buy her flowers.
I will catch you guys on the next one. Make sure you guys like the stream before you go. Bullish end to the stream. Let's get a pump side before we go. Bullish end. Set the subscribe button if you're new. And that's it, right? That's it. I'll catch you guys. We'll see if there's stuff going on in the morning. I'll hop on in the morning time, 10, 11 o'clock. Okay. But other than that, I'll catch you at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow. Let's hope we get some upwards price action, right? Let's hope we get some upwards price action. We got our fractal. We know what we're waiting for. Let's stay positive. I do believe this is going to happen over the course of the next couple weeks. Stay positive, man. Okay? Stay positive, man. Let's freaking go. All right? Stay positive, all right? Keep the chin up. Keep the smile up, all right? Don't get too down on this market. When you get down, here's the time when things start going back up, okay? Seriously. So, catch you guys later. As always, bye-bye.